How to fix Helldivers 2 crashing. Let's get started. The very first thing you wanna do is give fresh restart to your PC. For that, click on the start icon. Now click on this power icon. Now go ahead and click on the option of restart. After you give fresh restart to your PC, your problem might be fixed. Heading towards next solution, verify Helldivers 2 games file. Right click on your Helldivers game. Click on the option of properties. Now over here you will find the option of installed files. Click on it. Under that you will find the option of verify integrity of game files. Click on it. After you complete this process, your problem might be fixed. Heading towards next solution, run Helldivers 2 as administrator. If you are playing on a PC, running the game with administrator rights can fix restrictions causing crashes. Right click on Helldivers 2 in Steam and choose Manage. Click on Browse Local Files, open the bin folder, then right click on the Helldivers 2 icon and select Run as Administrator. Consider running it in compatibility mode. Heading towards next solution, upgrade your GPU drivers. Upgrading your NVIDIA drivers resolve many stuttering and lag issues. Likewise, heading towards next solution, disable crossplay. Disabling crossplay in the game options has resolved issue for many players, possibly due to many problems when paired with players from other platforms. Disable crossplay in the Gameplay tab of the Game Options menu. Lastly, what you can do is disable Steam Overlay. For PCs on the lower end, the Steam Overlay might be consuming extra resources needing for a crash-free experience. So click on Steam in the top left corner, choose Settings from the drop-down menu, navigating to In-Game section. Deselect the option that says Enable the Steam Overlay while in game. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Helldivers 2 crashing. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.